Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. In this video, you can see plus size mother of the bride dresses. So my beautiful viewers, are you a plus size mother of the bride looking for the perfect dresses for your special day? Look no further. In this video, we will share some tips and ideas to help you find a stunning plus size mother of the bride dresses that make you feel confident and gorgeous. Before start this video, I request all of you, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fashion related content, and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers, before we dive into the dress options, it's essential to understand your body shape. Plus size women come in all shapes and sizes, and knowing your body shape will help you find a dress that flatters your figure. Take a minute to determine your body shape. Hourglass, pear, apple or a rectangular. This will help you find a dresses that accentuates your curves and hits any areas you yourself conclusion about. Now my beautiful viewers, now let's talk about dresses style and necklace. Plus size mother of the bride dresses come in a variety of style, from classic aligned dresses to modern mid-mind dresses. Consider a dresses with a V-neck or a scope necklace to draw attention away from your mind section and emphasize your bust. Aligned dresses are also a great option as they skim over the body and create a slimming effect. My beautiful viewers, I request all of you again, please subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end. Fabric, a color and a crucial when it's come to plus size mother of bride dresses. Look for breathable fabric like cotton, polyester or a chiffon that will keep you cool and comfortable throughout the wedding. Colors like a navy blue, purple and a jewel tones are slimming and will complement your skin tone. Avoid sealing fabrics like jersey or a spandex as they may cling to your body unflattering weights. So finally, remember that accessories and confidence can make or break your overall look, and a statement piece or jewelry like a bold necklace or earring to draw attention to your face and distract from any areas you are self-conclusion about. And most importantly, on your confidence. You are beautiful plus size mother of the bride and you deserve to feel stunning on your child's special day. Thank you very much.